Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making pear. The Igbos call this UBE, but I just grew up calling it pear, and in my native dialect they are called rafen. What do you call this in your dialect? Leave a comment in the comment section telling us. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do so, join the family, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So we're going to start off by washing these fruits. You have to wash them very well, concentrating on this yellow part that was connected to the stalk. That part can gather a lot of sand sometimes. There are different ways of preparing this pear, but the best way I'm going to show you is this method I'm going to use. You can actually just boil water and then put this in the water. When you've turned it off, it will soften and you can eat it, but to me it won't give you that much flavor. You don't want to put this in boiling water. Putting it in boiling water is only going to make the skin tough. So we're just going to use this delicious method. Put this in the frying pan or pot, just sprinkle some salt and put a little water and allow it to heat up. You flip them over from time to time. You can use a spoon or a spatula, but I like using my hands so I can tell if they started getting soft and somehow be able to gauge how much longer I need for them to get soft. Different types of pears get soft at different times. You can notice there are two types here. So the long, bigger, purpley ones got softer before the shorter ones. So it's something to put in mind if you buy different types. Some of these are ready. You can see the skin has split open with the buttery inside. So the water is almost dry. By the time it gets completely dry, the other ones will be ready. And then I'll allow this to roast, just to roast for a bit and give it that nice aroma. If you don't want your own roasted, you can stop at this point and keep it down. The pear is ready. You can see that more of them have split open, and there's a difference in the color. It is now a little bit pale. They mention that when these things are unripe, they're actually pink in color. As they ripen, that's when they get darker and darker. Once the water gets dry, the roasting process starts. I don't want this to burn. I just want it to roast a bit so that to have that roasted aroma in it. So our pear is ready. I'm just going to open it to reveal the buttery inside. The seed is in it, then covered by the buttery part of it, and then the skin. This is so good, guys. It tastes so nice. I'm having mine with boiled corn. You can eat this with yam. Yes, I've eaten it with yam, and I also like it with rice. I like the taste it gives with rice. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so and join the family. Let's grow this channel together. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, bye.